Welcome back, everybody. Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Had a new arrival. This is an all-new floor plan. This is a 2025 Jayco RedHawk 22T. Then this one is on the Ford chassis. This is the E350. Overall, you're looking at 24 feet and 9 inches tip to tip on this. Looking at the outside, you do have your big power awning on it. It goes pretty much the entire length of the coach there. You do have some storage out here. This is going to be your propane tank. And then you've got some storage right over here. And then you do have outlets, cable output. And then this one is equipped with the solar, so you do have your solar controller up in there too. And then a little storage here with the motion sensing light. And then huge storage over off your back here. So you've got a big pass-through on here. Then you do have 3 access points to it. I'll show you the inside next. And now, first walking into the coach, no slides on this at all. One straight shot right to the back. This is all walkable space going down the road. You do have a little bench seat right over here. And I believe, yep, there is 2 seat belts back here. So you've got seat belt brackets. You are traveling with guests. Window right here. Panning over your over cab bunk right there with lights. And then swing out smart TV. Looking down in the car, or in the cab area here. You have pretty basic stereo, not bad. And then you do have the backup camera that displays to your rear view. Then you do have the cruise control on here too. Control the volume right from the steering wheel as well, which is nice. Pan it over towards the side. This is going to be all your controls right here. Your battery disconnect. You've got your solar monitor right there too. Your awning, carbon monoxide. One-piece sink. And then up here is going to be your water heater, or tank heater, water pump, water heater, gas and electric. Your tank checks, and then your generator start and stop. A little bit of storage up top there. Storage in here. Then storage below. You got some drawers here. Very solid. These are all PDI checked at the factory before they hit the dealerships. Open that up there. You do have your 2 burner cooktop there. And up top you've got your convection microwave, decent sized. A little bit of cubby storage up top. And over here is going to be your refrigerator. There's going to be a 12-volt fridge. Getting in your back bedroom area here. You do have the twin bed setup, but this does make one big bed back here. You do have this extra piece that drops into the middle there. Then you do have storage drawers on both sides here. So pretty deep drawers. And then backer for a television in your sleeping space, cable output and outlets up there. And you've got storage right up top here too. You've got these nice titanium guides on there. So big storage space. And then on the underside you've got lights, outlets, USB on both sides. And then 2 windows. Then these both do open. Then your living space, you've got a roof vent there. And then your AC is towards the back, and then it's ducted throughout. Giving you a shot of the bathroom here. Decent size on a smaller 24-foot coach. You get the skylight in the shower. The retractable bathroom shower shade curtain. That's what I'm going for. And then you do have your foot flush toilet down here. This is plastic. And then your sink. And then storage below. And you do have your medicine cabinet in here. There is also a window in your bathroom. Nice feature. And then there's a vent fan above. So just giving you another pan through the coach here. Plenty of walkable space. Good motorhome if you're looking to do some traveling in it. It's not too big. You can park it just about anywhere. Now I can show you some more features on the outside. So on the back of the coach here, you do have your backup camera there. That third brake light up top. And then you do have a hitch receiver back here. And then this is a 5,000-pound hitch. It's the other side of your storage. It's the other side of that big pass-through there. And then there's going to be your water connections here, so it's nice. You don't have to bend over to get to them or anything. Then you can feed your hose right up through here. Outside shower. Then sketch the diagram so you can know how to fill your tanks or clean your tanks out. Then you can also turn your water pump on and off from right here too. That's going to be your 30 amp power cord right there, your gas tank fill, and then your sewer offshoot. Looks like you have two sewer offshoots on this, one right there and one right over there. Looks like it's separate for the black and gray tank. More storage here. And then you've got your generator right there. And there's going to be a 4,000 watt flex power generator. Giving you a pan of this side too. So yeah, it's not massive, decent size. And then this has been Alex, so stop on Yellow RVing. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll be back with more 2025s. Thank you.